In a minute.
Is it Tom?
If you just want to have a seat,
Is it Tom? Who's coming?
it's the watch commander.
Okay.
Okay?
Hello.
Good day.
What can we do for you?
Well, I'm here to get my property.
What's the property?
Yes.
What is the name?
You're in possession of my cell phone and license plates.
Okay.
Yeah, can I get your name, please?
Corporal Warman. So Bain. So there's some paper. So that's okay. And do you have a piece of ID?
I do.
Okay. Can we see your name is Michael Petitpas?
Petitpas.
Okay, so that's your file number?
Mm-hmm.
So let me go check that and see what's going on. So is it the two things you want?
Right.
Okay, so I'll be back, okay?
Okay, just to let you know, their appearance notice was on the 21st February. And they failed to file and failed to show.
Okay, so can I take those two things and I'll be back in a few
Sure.
minutes? Okay.
French man, you're the French man. Tabernacle.
Well, my name is French. Should have got it right off.
truck too, no?
That's next.
You just go down there and get them, maybe, or retrieve it, and you gotta let it go.
Well, we'll do the same process there as here.
Mhm.
Tuesday, g'day. Peterbilt has built some of the Hey everybody, Tom here. So our bulk milk dispenser is ready to go. I'm
So, Mr. Petitpas, so what I can read, is he your friend or is it?
Yes.
So there's two different things, okay? Two different documents. This is for the charge. Like you said, I'm gonna take your word as what it is. There's no documents.
That's the Crown Council
Yeah.
signature there.
Okay, but like you said, they didn't receive anything. Doesn't mean that nothing's is gonna be forwarded on time enough. The officer didn't forward it on time. The officer is not here. What's his name? I'm not sure. The officer is not here. I went to see traffic. He's not here. So I cannot get an answer, but we can have charge late if we fail to produce on time. For X, Y reason and everything, charge can be always forwarded later, and we request summons or something like that. So an officer will have to serve you a document, say, Mister, I got the charge. Now you're gonna need to attend to court. But again, Crown will have to review the document and make that decision. Okay? So this is for the charge. Here for the document, here that document, the two items.
Okay.
We cannot give you back those items, okay?
Okay.
Those documents here, if you read the document, it's been signed by a justice of the peace, okay?
Okay.
So that detention is legal. They give for 90 days the legal detention of those two items there.
Okay.
So after that, the officer need to apply to the justice system, to the courthouse, to have an extension. So now with the date and everything, the justice of the peace it's under the court system. The detention is legal for the 90 days, and after that, extension need to be granted by the courthouse, an extension need to be applied by the officer and everything. So here, for me, I can go again a court order and everything, a court document to give you stuff back, okay?
Okay, so here we've got for you then, under the Supreme Court of British Columbia, notice of demand for property, and notice and demand under Section 337 of the Criminal Code. Okay, and then I need a signature on those?
No, I'm not sorry,
Can I get
signing
your-
anything,
No, that's okay.
yeah?
That's okay. Can I get your business card, please?
Yes. So,
What about our truck? Well, come on, when we get a truck now?
Truck was,
you're gonna need to talk to the officer, like I said, I'm in general duty
Truck's not
here,
even on there.
so,
Truck's not even on
give me
there.
2 seconds. This is my car.
go on again for the record, you refused to acknowledge and sign
Okay,
these?
so, sorry, he's asking a question.
No, I'm done. I'm done.
Okay, you're
Okay,
done.
so on and for the record, you refused to accept these?
But I can take it, you asked me to sign that, I'm not signing anything. Okay, you told me sign this, I'm not signing anything, I don't even know what you have and everything, so I'm not gonna sign anything.
Demand for property.
Okay, but like I said, I cannot go against the court order, okay? So that's what it is. After that, you're saying trucks, so
Yeah.
I don't see any trucks here, I see a cell phone and a
Yeah, I know,
license plate.
yeah.
Right, well, this is the problem.
So,
At the same time, they seized my truck.
okay,
Okay, Reliable Towing that was contracted through your members of the RCMP seized my truck without a warrant, without a court order. It was directed to, under a notice and order, it was directed to an inspection facility.
Okay.
I provided the address of my regular inspector,
yeah,
and through malicious and malfeasance of office, Constable Baines redirected it to the impound of Reliable Towing.
okay,
Okay, they've been, I have requested a bill from them 5 times on the record.
Okay.
They've refused to issue me a bill
Yeah.
under the Bills of Exchange Act, Section 76
you're
and
quoting all
84.
kind of stuff and everything, but I'm not involved.
Well, sir,
in this.
ignorance of the law is
So-
no excuse.
Okay.
You've issued
No.
tickets. You've issued tickets.
I'm not
against
involved in
me.
your case, so
What?
you're trying to
Well,
put everything.
you're the
so-
responding officer, so
yeah.
we're putting this information on and for the record.
No, good,
Okay.
good for you to put this on the record, what you want and everything. I'm not involved in your case. I try to help you the best I can do with the 2 documents you presented me, the 5.2 and the appearance notice. I gave you answer about that. After that, the vehicle, I didn't see the truck, but watch out, sir, there's somebody coming in. So, the truck, so I didn't see a truck on that 5.2 and everything, so that will not be seized under the and everything, but
Okay.
Constable Bain is not working right now. Constable Bain as a supervisor. I can forward supervisor name to their intention and everything. Do you want me to, do you have a cell phone you can be reached, or did you try to contact those people?
They have my cell phone. This is
Okay.
why I'm here.
Okay,
For a month and a half, I've been out of
okay, so
communication.
do you have a contact number you want to be reached?
Sure.
So,
This is for a company we're subcontracted for.
and I can forward that to the
All of
people and they
our
can
company
follow
had to
up.
get this done, so. I've had like security clearance and stuff before.
Sorry, what was your first name? I forgot.
Michael,
We're auditing it. I
With
don't know
a
how-
CH or?
CHAEL,
Okay. And
Petapa, Papa, Echo, Tango, India, Papa, Alpha, Sierra.
okay, and the phone number to?
778
Oops, sorry. 778, yeah,
246
246, yeah,
5647.
647. So I'll forward that to
Okay.
their side and everything, the traffic.
Right.
And it's Friday afternoon, like I said, I'm not gonna see it, so maybe, I don't expect to be here the weekend, I'm working myself on my schedule Sunday, so I can forward the email today. If I see them Sunday, I can advise to follow up with you and everything, otherwise it might go to Monday. I work Sunday, Monday day shift, so I'll make sure that somebody see that and everything and try to reach to answer, to give you an answer, okay?
All right,
Good,
we're-
thank you.
We're gonna be heading over to Maple Ridge Towing to retrieve the truck that, as you agreed, was not on the seizure notice. It was misdirected by the officer.
I
Without-
cannot say that.
Well, I can
said
because
that.
I was there and I was in the back of the car for 3.5 hours.
Okay, like I said,
For
it's your thing.
Sir, for 3.5 hours, I, a chaplain of the Anglican Church, was pulled over on a traffic violation of taking a left turn with a wide load on a red light. Okay, under the Commercial Transportation Act, when you're hauling a wide load, you can make any move that is deemed necessary as long as it doesn't endanger anyone, which was done. And for that simple violation,
Again,
excuse me,
it's
sir,
your
don't
side.
interrupt. Don't interrupt while I'm talking.
Yeah.
Okay?
Appreciate it, thanks.
I was then, for the mere fact of a simple violation ticket, which I could have been on my way, I was held under protest and duress, under police custody. Okay, you're aware of section 176 of the criminal code?
I don't know, you gonna tell me right now?
Well, sir, you're a law expert. Your job is to
Okay.
enforce the law. Is ignorance of the law
Okay.
any excuse? I'm
Okay.
asking you right now to recite section 176 of the criminal code.
Okay, so what's your point here?
I would like you to recite section 176 of the criminal code. Are you refusing? Okay, for the
At the
third
end
time.
of the day,
Sir, excuse
sir,
me.
I give
For
you
the
your
third
two
time-
sign,
For the
okay?
third time, I'm asking you to recite section
Okay.
176 of the criminal code.
I don't need to comply to anything to your thing.
Are you
First
not a
of all,
servant?
Okay,
Are
so
you not a
at the end of
servant?
at the end of the day, sir, I answer your two questions. You received the thing. I got your phone number. I forward that to the supervisor.
you a civil
okay?
servant?
So at the end of the day,
Are
sir,
you
you've been
a
served.
civil servant?
So
Yes or
thank
no?
you so much, sir.
Are you a civil servant? Yes or no?
It doesn't.
Do you
it doesn't
serve the
happen.
public?
I serve the public. Doesn't mean that I need to comply with your
I'm
request
asking
here, okay?
questions.
So
I'm
at the end
asking-
of the day, sir,
Sir, I'm
you've been
asking
answered the
questions.
question. Okay.
Well, I have more questions.
So
I'm asking
Okay.
more questions.
yeah, but you came here for two purposes.
I
gave you
came
your
here for
answer,
my
okay?
purposes. My
So
my
at the end
visit,
of the day, I gave you your answer.
sir, my
sir.
visit here is not restricted to 2 questions. I'm dealing with a criminal matter that's in front of the court.
I'm not involved in that criminal matter, so I have no knowledge of what happened last month and everything. You said on the detention of 3 hours and everything. I'm not
All
involved.
right, well
okay?
then I'll ask
So-
you a very simple
Okay,
question.
so at the end
Sir,
of the day-
Are you familiar with section,
So,
are you
I'm-
familiar with section 32
Sir.
of the Charter of Rights and
Okay,
Freedoms?
it doesn't, at the end of the day, I don't need, okay, I answer your question the best I can do right now,
Can you
okay?
recite for me
So,
section
sir.
32 of the of the Charter of Rights and
Sir.
Freedoms?
I'm not writing a test here, okay?
Yes, you are.
So, So thank you so much, sir.
Can you recite
So you're
section
done.
32 of the
Sir,
Charter
you're
of
not
Rights
gonna
and
get an
Freedoms?
answer right now,
Are
okay?
you
was
refusing to
55,
answer?
right?
Thank you,
Okay.
sir, okay? I answer you
Yeah.
with that,
Okay,
My
thanks.
work just gave
Thank
this
you.
man an envelope, so.